Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you get more FPS on Roblox. So if you're facing this issue where FPS is broken in your game, it goes up and down, sometimes down for a long time, anything like that, you can follow the steps that I'm going to provide you with and the multiple fixes in this video in order for you to fix that problem. The first one is going to be the simplest. You just need to tap on that arrow in the bottom right side of the screen, this one right here. It will show you the apps that are working in the background. Now these might slow down your PC and make the FPS drop. Just go ahead and exit anyone that you don't need, just right tap on it and then tap on close. Just like that. Close the unnecessary ones. Now if this doesn't give you that much of a difference, or it doesn't give you the difference you're looking for, go ahead and tap on this search icon and search for edit power plan. You can search for it in the bottom and then find it here and tap on it. Here tap on power options in the top. You find it balanced, go ahead and maybe tweak the settings here. If you find another option that says higher performance or enhanced under it, go ahead and select it, and that should give you more FPS in game. That should fix your problem. As you can see, it's not here for some reason. I had it previously before filming this video. Now it's not here. Anyways, you should find it. Now for another fix, you can go ahead and tap again in the search box in the bottom left, search for run, and then open this one right here, and then type %, and then temp in capital, and then %, and tap on OK. To open this folder, you need to go ahead and select everything in here and delete it, because this is basically, say, trash. Once you get rid of it, you will have a faster kind of PC, you will have more FPS in game. Of course, don't forget to empty your trash once you do this to make it actually work and makes it actually effective. Again, for the next fix, in the same place, search for game mode settings. It will take you to settings on your device. Go ahead and tap on graphics settings, and then from here tap on browse. Find Roblox, select it of course, and then tap on options. As you can see, we have multiple options here. If you want more FPS, select high performance and then tap on save, and that should fix your problem of having low or basically inconsistent FPS on Roblox. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you so much for watching.